Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Raut. I know I look very different today. This video I decided to not put any makeup. You know, I'm trying my best to improve myself, improve my self confidence. So I thought like one of the best way to improve self confidence is sometimes going out making a video the way I naturally look. You know, the women wear makeup to look good. They feel that if they don't wear makeup, they will look ugly. So even I feel very insecure about myself. So I thought one of the best way to gain confidence is occasionally trying some videos without any makeup. Accepting myself the way I am. I don't know what kind of response I will get, but I'm trying my best to work on myself and improving my life. I'm don't earn much any money, so I was trying to find ways to develop myself so I can become much better person, become a more successful person. So I was trying to watch videos and read articles how to improve myself, self improvement tips. And there I recently found a lot of videos about law of attraction. you know I first heard about law of attraction from my cousin. She had showed me the documentary The Secret, and the secret document in that documentary, people, very famous big people, say that if you believe in something, it will happen. Law of attraction. Those who don't know, it's not a scientific law. It's a more of a philosophical, spiritual law, which says that what you get is depends on how you think. Like if you think positive things, you will get positive things. If you think negative things, you will get negative things. Like if you believe that you are rich, if you say I'm a rich person, I'm a rich person, I believe I'm a rich person, then you will become rich. But if you say I'm a poor person, I don't have any money, then you will remain poor. you know in a way I agree with it. Positive thinking makes a lot of difference in our lives. Way we approach life changes our life a lot. If you take things positively, good and bad experience, if you had a bad experience and if you take it positively, if you use it as a learning experience, you develop from bad experience, you can be successful. But I don't believe that just thinking positively would make you a successful person. Just law of attraction says, like I've seen a lot of videos where they say in order to attract things in your life, you're asking the universe, the god, omnipresent being, to give you things. It's like a spoiled child asking his parents, I want this, I want that, I want to be rich, I want to be famous, I want to be very intelligent, and god will give me that things. In philosophy, in our imagination it looks very good, but I don't think god will give us things because we demanded it. God, I do believe in higher power, and I do believe that lot of times success and many things we get through this universe, but I don't think we get it because we demanded it. God won't give good things to people who are like selfish and demanding. God will give good things to people who prove themselves worthy, who do something good in their lives. Like example, if someone wants to become an engineer, if imagine two kids want to be an engineer, one of them believes in law of attraction and one of them doesn't know about it. One who believes in law of attraction says that, "No, I want to be an engineer, and I like I'm constantly thinking about becoming an engineer. I'm telling God, telling the universe, I want to be an engineer." But the kid doesn't study much. It just imagines in its head that God will make me an engineer, and it's not working hard for it. Whereas the other kid, truly wants to become an engineer and works hard. he or she studies every day, make sure to read and get good marks, and tries to find out ways how they can become an engineer. It like searches for colleges, good colleges, and sees how they can get admission in that college, prepare for the entrance exam, works hard to become an engineer. They have a focus, both have a focus to become an engineer, but one of them puts work and one of them just imagines it. Who has a higher chance of becoming an engineer? Obviously the one who works hard. If just asking for something would have given you everything, then all the lazy people in this world would become successful. The hardworking people will not get anything. you know but people do believe in it a lot. It's very important to think positive, but you have to put in hard work as well. Universe won't give you anything. Everyone wants to be successful in their lives, but not everyone becomes successful. you know and like I have seen a lot of videos about celebrities. It's those celebrities which attract people in this law attraction thing. There are a lot of celebrities who say that I manifested my success, and I made vision boards are like boards where people stick pictures or something. Like, imagine if someone wants a big house, they will stick a photo of that big house on that board, and they will continuously look at that board. They will take printouts of pictures of things they want. If someone want lots of money, they will take picture of money. If they want house, they'll take picture of house. Relationship, they will take a photo of in a couple or anything. They kind of make a vision board where they place all the things which they want in their life, constantly look at that things, and they in their mind they constantly think, nah, I am going to get successful, I am going to get successful, and they get successful. And people get inspired by these things. People are very much influenced by celebrities. They see successful, famous and rich people, and they think they have got their success by imagining good things, by thinking that they are going to become that. They are going, if they put pictures in the vision board, they will get what they want. But I did background research on lot of the celebrities, and then they notice that not all, but most of them belong to wealthy families. Or at least upper middle class families. They have like good financial stability. They are not, even though they say I had to struggle a lot, I had to go in a lot of interviews. Some people were not nice, I had to do small jobs, I had to do this and that. But when you actually look at their background, they belong to a very good financial background, and their families has contacts which help them get the career. And a lot of the pop singers or actors, the child actors, they belong to a wealthy family, and the wealthy family kind of influences the directors and all to give their child a job, and they get it. So the child may think that I got this job because I manifested it, and I imagined in my head I want to do this, and I actually got it. But just their imagination didn't help them get the role. Their influential, their parents, their wealthy parents, kind of help them get the career they wanted. And also maybe they didn't directly approach them, maybe, but they at least if someone wants to become a singer, then their family had enough money to give them music tuitions, to get good teachers which will help them become a good singer or good actor. Any kind of, they had money to train their kids, so they had the training, they had like the charisma. They, a lot of the celebrities are naturally good looking, so they had the looks, and they could easily, like those people who have that raw materials, wealth, talent, looks, kind of have higher chances of getting success. They say that they imagined it, they were like poor, but they imagined they're positive and they got successful. So people who are financially not good state, they also start thinking, if we start thinking positively, I'm also going to get good things. you know Celebrities kind of downplay their financial state. Lot of times, these rich people, even the top businessmen, like remember Kylie, people laughed at Kylie Jenner because she said that she's a self-made billionaire. She was called the youngest self-made billionaire, and everyone was like, ha ha ha, she's not self-made, she is a millionaire. But which is true. But even those billionaires which we regard self-made, like Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, these people are also not didn't come from poverty. People say Bill Gates story. He initially started in his garage, and then he now become a successful businessman. But Bill Gates was not a poor middle class person. I checked his background, and Bill Gates' father was a prominent lawyer, and his mother served on the board of directors for First Interstate Bank System and the United Ways of America. And Gates' maternal grandfather was J.W. Maxwell's National Bank's president. So he was very good financial state. He was not someone who is living in poverty and had to struggle with money. He was he had a safety net. Elon Musk also, his father was a big businessman. His father had an emerald mine. He was part owner of an emerald mine. And even Jeff Bezos, people show photos of him in a small house, and there is a photo of an Amazon written with spray paint or something. People say, oh my god, Amazon was such a small office, but now he's become like a multi-billionaire. But Elon Musk, I had heard that his parents gave him $300,000 to start Amazon. And he was a very intelligent man. He had a very good, his other job profile were also very high standing. He had good earning beforehand, and his parents also gave him a huge loan of 300,000. So when he have such a good financial backing, he can jump into these things. But law of attraction gurus say they got successful because they are positive thinking. You are not becoming successful because you are thinking negatively. But if someone is a rich person, they will obviously think they are rich. If someone living in poverty, if they don't have any food to eat, and you go and tell them that you are thinking poor, you are thinking that you don't have any money to pay your bills, that is why you are not able to pay your bills. Now how will thinking positively, would the money fall from the sky? It's very hurtful to some people, those who are struggling financially. They guilt tripping them. If someone says I'm thinking positively, I'm constantly thinking, praying to God, made vision boards, and did everything I can to think positively all the time, but I'm still financially struggling. They will guilt trip into saying that you are not always thinking positive. You are thinking about the bills which you have to pay. You're seeing a bank balance and saying I don't have any money, but that is the reality. They don't have any money. Just imagine if you have zero bank balance, and you imagine you have $1 million are not going to fall down from the sky. People, those who are in a wars like situation, they are going to be in pain. They, in fact, those who are struggling are much more positive minded than those who are doing well in their life. Like those I've seen lot of celebrities are into depression. A lot of celebrities do drugs, because they are in lot of pain, even though they have all the success, all the money, everyone likes them, they have everything, but they are still depressed. They are still, this depression come from negative thinking. So if negative thinking makes one unsuccessful, then why are they successful? And whereas those who are not financially stable, some people are not middle class family, they don't have earn enough money, but still they are like positive about things, but since they're positive, they don't become rich all of a sudden, you know you know I think there is it's important to realize that positive thinking is very important, but that's not the only thing which will help you become successful. Universe will not give you things because you asked for it, no matter how much nicely you ask, how many times you ask, universe will not give you things like that. you know it's like, you imagine the universe, the god is your a parent, and you are the spoiled child continuously asking, I want million, I want $1 million, I want $1 million. The parent will eventually get frustrated and tell you to go. Parents won't give you things because you asked for it. The universe wants you to develop. Universe wants you to become a better person. You have to work hard to get those if those children who work hard, study hard, focused on what they want, they get to be what they want. If someone want a hardworking child wants to become an engineer, universe will make sure that hardworking child becomes an engineer. You know some people are stuck in very bad situations, but they take actions which help them become successful, and universe gives them guidance. Universe doesn't give handouts, universe gives guidance. you know so if you want to get power of universe, if you want universe support, you have to give and do some actions. You have free will, you have the choice to make decisions. So you make decisions, and the universe will give you guidance on how you can reach your goals. So yeah, that's my rant and philosophy of the week. um, I don't know whether I upset people with this or not. Those who believe in it, can share the experience. If you don't agree with my opinions, please let me know why you don't agree. We can have a discussion about this. You can share your experience. But for me, I believe that to get success, you have to think positively, learn from your bad experience, take actions to become successful, and use the universe as a guidance to reach your goals. And use your intuition to feel good and bad things. If you feel that something is bad, you have to be careful. know uh, yeah, that's all I have for today. uh, by the way, you must see that the background is little bit different, I decided to change the position of my bed according to vastu. I don't know, I just like trying, my according to vastu feng shui, my bed was in wrong position. I shouldn't the direction um, the head should be in the south position, but my head was earlier in north position, so I changed it in south position. Some people say that if you in a bad vastu, if you live in a bad vastu, then bad things may start happening. And I don't know whether it's real or not, but I want to like give it a try. Like I'm trying my best to find out different ways, in self-help improvement things, watching lot of videos. So vastu was one of the things which people said that sleeping in right direction affects our mental health. If you sleep in wrong direction, you will have bad dreams, you will have bad luck, you will get tired. So I thought maybe I will give it a try. Initially it was difficult changing position. In a few days I got nightmare when I slept in the right position, but after a few days I'm now more comfortable with it. So let's see how whether the change of vastu makes my life better or not. Maybe law of attraction can help as well. You never know. I have a digital vision board where I posted pictures of things I want in life. So let's see whether those things come to life or not. Yeah. But actions are more important than thoughts. Anyways, bye. Take care.